Hey there everyone, it's Ryan with Frontline Animal Removal, and I'm going to show you a soffit panel that tells a little story of how things went wrong for me. So let me show you. Here we have our soffit panel. You can see it's got some chewing damage and some little holes in it. So let's take a look at this. This side right here had this nice big hole. This was a squirrel entry point. Squirrels were getting into the soffit through this opening, so I hung a trap on it. So these 3 screws here help hold the wire that covered this hole, and then that would direct the squirrels into the trap. This hole was not here when I set the trap. This is where I had problems. Let's look at it from the other side. Now, on the other side, we can see all the dirt. You can see all the residue from the squirrel's fur right here. This side over here was packed with grass and leaves, because this is where the nest approximately was. And we got some urine stains mixed with poo and just general filth. Right here it's very clean because the squirrel would exit and enter the hole, and they somehow polished that up pretty good. But what had happened is I caught mama squirrel, which was the very important squirrel, but the babies were still in the soffit, and they did not want to enter my trap. This is the trap I had set. It's a multi-catch trap. They just push through the door here, they go into the back of the trap, they're caught. So after 2 days, they decided they didn't want to go into the trap, so they chewed this hole here. These chew marks are all fresh, brand new. The babies chewed this open, and then they climbed out through this hole and got out of the house. Now I covered it with a piece of wire. That's what these holes are from. So I covered it with a piece of wire to try to keep something in that may still be there and try to keep them from going back in. Well, I gave it a few more days and the squirrels never showed back up. They disappeared. I believe what had happened was baby squirrels realized that something bad happened to mom. Their home was no longer safe. They chewed through this opening and they got away. So I did everything the way I was supposed to do it. Everything went wrong. So we replaced the soffit panel with a brand new piece. The repair looks good, and most importantly, the repair is going to have a 1-year warranty. And I have a feeling homeowner will be cashing in that 1-year warranty. Why do I think that? Well, babies got away. Some of those babies are probably female. Those females are probably going to come back to the house in the future, do some sniffing around, and they might chew in where they escaped. But that could be, several months from now, because those young juvenile females won't be going to heat for several months. But maybe things will work out and they won't come back and they'll go find another house to invade, or maybe they'll do the right thing and go into a tree. I don't know. All I know is the babies got away. They haven't shown back up. I would have made a little more dough if I caught them, but the house is repaired, it looks good, and there's a warranty. So we should be good. That's just the way it is with trapping. Sometimes you do everything right and critters just don't show up, or they get away, or they just do something you don't expect. Thank you.